Ngayon guys, magsisimula na Team Motors na versus Tour. First game sila, first game ng SBL. Okay, magsisimula na lang. Motors versus Tour.
Saan nila ilaw? Diba? Ilaw! Saan nila ilaw?
Out of bound. Ariola. Easy to watch by Ariola.
Ate Baba, ilaw!
Number 2. Sublay. Rebound by number 18. 2. Number 77. Pass number 6. Boy. High shot. Oh.
Number 4.
Talim!
Pass number 93. 3-point basket kay number 9. Ice Higuera. Number 22, number 77. Side line. Pass number 23. Pass number 6. Number 77. Tumili na ako ng foul. Who's foul? Number
31. 31.
Number 30. Team Jordan. Number 77, 2 points by Ariola. Number 9, dribble ball. Making pass number. Sideline line. Supply. Rebound by number 18 to number 6. Number 6, 2. Number 17. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Number 8 now for a traveling violation. Number 14. Sumula kami ng Cherry Seal. Joy number 31. Now on the foul. Number 18. Number 18 foul. Pass number 4. Number 4. Umatake. Binigay kay number 31. Boarding shot.
Barako. Uy.
Number 62. Back to number 6. Pass to number 23. Sudres. Sudres. Rebound by number 22. Number 9. Number 25. Crossover. Number 25. Sideline assist by number 23. Pass number 6. Number 6. Carrying the shot to line. Rebound by number 25. This is number 4. Number 4. 15. Now traveling violation. Second third by former partner 2 weeks. Starting guys. Number 17. Pass 2. Number 18. Sudres. Supply. Good ball by number 25 to the Congress. Number 9. Super classic by number 9. Ariola. Umatake Ariola. Supply. Rebound by number 9. 2. Number 4. Number 25. Number 20 pass. Pass by number 31. Kiboy. Dribble the ball. Kiboy. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Fatal shot.
Kapatid din to parang Rico to. Sino? Kamukha yun, no? Rico.
Number 25, box number 4. 3 points. Play number 4. Number 6. Kiboy. Number 17. Rebound number 31, number. Number 9. Team number 4. Pass number 25. Bumele. Pass number 31.
Play sila eh.
Papustahan mo.
Play dock.
Number 18.
Time out daw, dead ball. Sabi ng coach. Lapit po kayo dito, lapit.
Number 8. Sa mga iniiwan tayo sa institution, hindi po kayo sa tapat ng ating coffee.
Basta sinabi na ng coach, pwede din.
Pag na-shoot time out. Pag na-shoot time out.
Dead ball.
Number 4. Nagkakalaman sa bilay number 9. Number 9. Sana! Team! Modus. Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 7. Number 7. Number 22. Sa gitna may number 7 na may Yola sumalaksak sa ilalim. Number 25. Si number 4. Back to number 25. Number 25. Sabay. Gusto ba? Number 22. Pass to number 17. Pupunta sa rest. 3 point. Sige nga yung tuloy.
All.
Ang news sa mga score natin all 14 in the first quarter. Number 23, Lali number 31, Sakay. Driven by number 9. Kaya shot na or call by number 7, Ariola.
First, second.
Para sa Crazy. Pumasok.
Meron din pa kayo man. Rebound.
Wala pa, wait ako sa inverter na.
Rebound na ganyan.
Kailangan daw may rebound tsaka assist.
Based on
Oo, para pag ikaw best player.
Number 4. Number 35. Number 25. Nasunan.
Tap.
Number 22. Pass. Still. Number 9. 3 point by number 9. Number 18.
Kami laro na kayo mamaya.
Fishing.
Success.
Sabi mo, tingin mo ako. Sabi mo ka laro.
Ganon.
Bakopa.
Number 25. Making a play. Sa gitna. Sa ilalim ng sumunod na number 82. Number 22. Nawala. Save by number 7. Number 22. Easy 2 points by number 22.
All 19.
It's all 19. Number 1 to number 25. Pumasok. Number 77 to number 22. Pupukon. Sabay. Rebound by Ariola. Reverse shot. Sabay. To number 7. Pablo. Oh! To number 9. Number 9. Same ball.
Dito lang.
Number 25, warning for number 25, warning for faking a foul. Flop. 2, number 22. Same ball. To number 7. First quarter. 22-19 in favor of 22. Foul, big number 31. Second person foul, second team foul. Babae. Official score is Rebound number 31, 2. Number 22. To number 9. Number 25, Sablay. Rebound by number 11, 2. Number 17. Number 1 to number 9. Kate Ty. Number 9, 2. Number 1. Nakalata. Oh, foul. Timeout.
Back to the ball game.
Rebound by number 7.
Score natin all 22.
Araw ko sunod. Rebound by number 31 to number 4. Number 4. Pass number 9. Sunod. Rebound by Ariola. Ariola to number 29. Miranda. To number 77. Body shot by number 77. Cheese Hayward, 24-22.
Lalim mga ilalim!
15 to shit. Oh, foul! Number 22. First person foul, third team foul. Number 4 is number 1. Number 1 to the rugby. Violation. Miranda.
Brain sport, brain.
30 seconds remaining time. Sablay. Number 31 pass to 2. Steal. Number 29. Number 29. Sablay. To number 9. Number 9 pass to number 4. Last 10 seconds. Number 77. 5 seconds. Foul. Foul slash the number. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Kanya, mainom. Soft drinks na nakita ko yung soft drinks sa dark.
Number 25. Boarding shot. Sablay. Rebound by number 7. Number 79. Number 79. Drop pass by number 32. Number 18. Rebound by number 25. Steal by number 29. Number 29. Bash. Pass right. Oh, now
Three point siya, nag-3 point, nag-3 point.
Number 23. 2 points. 2 points by number 23. Number 29. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 25. Mario shot. Number 31. Rico shot.
Ito si Eric eh. Sabi ko, pwede ka kami ni Kerdo. Andito siya eh. Ati eh.
Back to number 29.
Pwede ko makain ako. Makain ako nga noon. Kaya wala ako.
Sabi niya,
Ako nga.
Sa gitna na ako ng Paul. Paul by number 10. Or number 10 yung Paul.
Jerusalem. Ang pagpili doon na Kilala ko lang.
Bakit hindi naman ako makalakad?
Pass to number 25, pass to number 4, to number 9. 15 to shoot. Sideline ako ng ball by number 18. Still by number 18. Still number 29. Foul. Number 04.
Ay, maliit ka. Makakadepensa ka ng 6'5", 6'9".
maliit pa pala yan. Pag dinikit mo sa akin, matangkad na. Thank you, thank you.
Hindi na kayo napagod tayo na.
Ay, yung kanila yan eh.
Okay. Number 4. Sa saya namin number 45 pumili. Nakawala Paul. By number 7. Number 7. Substitution please.
Card, dapat card, nakaupo ka card, sa time out ka card. Doon ka sa time out, dito ka sa mamo.
Wala naman po.
O sige. Diyan ka lang card, kayo ka lang.
Nakikita ko ng trophy rin sa man. Para sa final. Final si Bibi ba yan?
Dalawang MVP ko nimo, season sa kapal.
Pumas.
Kami na ni sino ba?
Number 7. Mga kadali. Sebagai na yung sumalaksak. Number 4. Passing number 25. Slide. Bring number 31 to number 9. To number 1 sa gitna.
Hindi namasa.
Number 4. Number 9. Number 29 to number 18. Sumalaksak. Slide. Rebound by number 4.
Si Atong galing pala laro basketball, no? Si Atong. Uy,
I thank you.
Atong. Ay, may chance no.
Ay, nagugot na kayo.
Si Atong.
Hindi yan.
29. Stress. Slide. Rebound by number 9. To number 25.
Mukhang nakinig naman sila sa'yo kanina.
Pass number 1. Penetrator shot.
Gawin lang naman yung very light.
Rebound by number 11 to number 20.
Ano sa yung team?
Steal. By number 10. Jerusalem. 2 points by number 10.
Palabas ko.
Number 4.
Hindi sila pwede manggulo dito.
14.
Hindi pwede kung kayo magkaaway, hindi naman kami magkakaaway din namin.
Side ilalim by number 18. Third and 35. Number 9. 2. Number 4. Pass to number 25. 10 shoot. Second shoot, please. 18. Foul.
13 pa, ano, third partial foul.
Hindi pa.
2.
Sa akin na lang sa kanya.
Number 25. Number 25. To number 22 sa ilalim by number 1. Move to number 25 sa gitna.
Saling ko lang eh.
37 in favor of 39. Number 22. Back. Oh, steal by number 1.
Baso. Boy, may time out ha. May time out. Baso.
Keep ball at 2. Number 11. Pass to Ian. Number 23, Ariola. Sa ilalim na ako lang.
Time out, time out.
Time out! Number 11, 2. Number 1, sa ilalim number 31 sa gitna. Number 22 sa line. Number 18. Number 18. Walking in the direction number 18 still by number 1. Number 1 pass still number 11. Diretso sa line by number 31.
Mark. Time out.
By number 4. Keep ball. Number 6. Oh, still by number 1 to number 4. Turn 9. Keep ball at 2. Number 22. Side ilalim by number 11. Still number still. By number 4 is number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Still by number 22. Arauban. Still. Ariola. Ariola sumalaksak na bitawan. Symbol.
Half time.
Good ball. Rebound by. Brady. Ibote.
Ano, 1.5.
Ibote. Hands number 31. Number 36, number 4. Number 4 back to number 31. Sabayo. Sabayo dito by number 4. Two, number 22. 10 shoot. To number 31 again. Number Paul. That's the basket. By number 23. Number 29. Miranda. Sumalaksak pangpas by number 77.
Hoy, taas kamay lang ha, walang babaw. Eh, walang sundo.
Number 4 to number 11. Number 11. Back to number 4. Back to number 11. Number 11. Clear the shot. Miranda. Hasul. Number 23. Suday. Number 22 to number 9. Number 9. Dribble the ball Brian. Sublime. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Sublime. Number 25. Shot. What a shot by number 25. 49-41. 1:30 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 28 pass, number 29 pass, number 17. 3 points. Number 11. Pass number 22 to number 31. Strike line, number 1. Steal. Ball. Bola na po sa
Same ball.
Uy, itong kayo.
Bawal dyan.
35. Miranda silent. Oh, still number 11. Back at number 9. Sabay. Number 9 again. Miranda. Number 7. Aliola 2. Number 7. Aliola. Pass number 23. 2 cross by number 23. 24 seconds, screen time. Buzzer na po number 3. Number 25. Number 25, back na sa oh! Steal the number. Miranda at Miranda sumalaksak. Supply. Number 11. Number 11. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter na. Wala lang modus.
Miranda. 2, number 23. Back to Miranda. Miranda. Sa kitang umatake. Back to number 23. Stress. Supply. Rebound by number 7. Rebound by number 2. Number 11. Pass number 4. Back to number 11. 2. Number 1. Back to number 11. Umatake din sa kanyang number 4. Perimeter shot. Rebound by Aliola 2. Miranda. Oh, number 2. Number 9. Number 9 yung shot. Miranda 2. Number 23. Foul by number 9.
McDonald dyan.
Personal foul.
First personal. First team foul.
Boss, sila na yung espiritu.
Ilang warning na. Warning na.
One.
Number 11. Box number 11. 15. Shit. Rebound by number 7. Miranda. Ayaw sa gitna.
Warning 7.
Okay, pangay.
Number 7, 11 is back to number 11. Number 4, second number 22, Supply. Rebound by number, oh, Silvio Miranda. Miranda mo ang diretso niya.
Wala ko na saan.
Miranda, dribble the ball.
Steven, oh!
Pass number 11. Sin number 1. Number 1, Sayang Pumeke. Oh, still. Single. Number 11. Pumeke. Sin number 22. Sablay. Rebound by number 7. Number 72, Ariola. Miranda. Miranda na rin rin. Sablay. Pass number 11. Back to number 4. Number 4. Steal by number 7. Steal. Miranda. Oh, number 17. Miranda. Stepping on the left side.
Kali may dumating, pagpapatang lang.
All 55. Number 25. Sablay. We will still have a second again. Foul by number 77.
Dapat din is go. Huwag ka lang kasi.
Diyan. Nakabounce sunod. Drops. Drops po. Drops ka lang. Best. Best.
Pumasok.
Sugar pala ito. Okay, okay.
Arauhan. Nagtatapos sa ating ng Ariola. Ariola. Foul. Team number 22. Celeste. Ariola number 7. Number 25. Pass number 4, City, number 9. Sablay. Number 22, Troy. Pass number 7. Steal. Number 42, number 25. Pass number 11, Money direction, open pad. Parang blue ba naman yung number 22. Pass to number 23. To Arauban. Oh, number 25. Number 25. Pumeke Pino shot. Sablay. Number 77 na Ariola. To number 17. Number 17. Pumeke Sablay. Reload number 215 to number 4 to number 11. I can say yan ang mga kinasahan.
Time out daw.
Number 22.
Uy!
Silent Silver Ariola 2. Number 11. Pass to number 28. Perry. Oh, back to number 11. Number 11. 2 points. Miranda. Miranda lang mga alagay. Open pad. Sablay. Number 25. Number 4. 2. Number 11. Silent number 1. River shot. Kibote. Kibote na lang ako sa piniglan ka. Number 18. Back to Miranda. Perry with the shot. Sablay. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. 15. Shit. Sablay.
Uy! Oh, doon na.
Ibole, number 60, number 29. Sa gitna ay number 77. Umatake. 2 points. 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Takes up by number 4. Pass number 11. Soon, number 25. Number 31, Nagilawan. Number 31 again. Number 6, Ibole. Ibole, pass to Miranda with a shot. Number 77. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Now with a foul. Foul sa ating number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Foul down. 18. Number 8. Number 6. Second number 77. Pass to Sablay. Double foul.
Sino yung isa? Sino yung number?
Number 23 ata yun.
I'm out.
Wait lang. Yung push! 7! Push!
I'm out po.
Yung ano?
Number 17, Miranda. 3-point. Number 4. Number 14, number 22. 30, to number 1. Sablay. Number 1. Number 25 to number 4. Number 23. Number 72. Number 77. 2 points by number 77. That's 1 minute 40 seconds. For the third quarter, number 25. Pass number 1 to number 31. 2 points by number 22. Oh, so 72-66. Pass back to number 4, sa gitna to number 25, 14 to shoot. Miranda. Pumasok Miranda, number foul. Number 31 to number 25. Number 25. Straighter shot.
Apat na agad kaya, walang isang play, apat na limit.
Number 79. Stress. 3 points by number 20 seconds. Basta na lang yung marinig.
Pesa!
3 points by number 25.
Pinapanood eh.
10 seconds. Good luck. Number 25. 5 seconds.
Sabi muna, Carl.
7-7 Miranda. Miranda umatake! Hindi sila naman na sa nakasama sa labang ko yan. Number 9 to number 11. Number 11 to number 25. Number 12 box to number 11. Cross over. Say line by number 31. Miranda. Miranda. Ayaw siya may Ariola Sunay. Rebound by number 25. Miranda by number 9. Hill Sunay. Miranda na nagmamadali. Miranda na nauupat ang binigay kay Ariola. Ariola sa gitna. Foul by number 22. Season by number 9. Number 25, Sunday, rebound by Sunday number 11, Ariola. Out of bounds.
Next na dyan, next.
Number 11, Ariola. Body shot. Miranda suppress. Rebound by number 31, pass break 2. Out of bounds. Number 7, Miranda sideline. Number 25. Take time number 25 sa gitna. Slide. Rebound by number 7. 2. Number 7-7. Pass still. Back to Ariola. Ariola from Sibol. Miranda sa gitna. 2 points by Miranda.
JC!
15 shot to number 4. Second number 11. Miranda 2. Ariola. Pass number 29, 13. Shot. Sideline Silva. Number 32. Number 10. Umatake. Body shot by number 10. 85, 83. Number 25. 85 by number 25. Sideline by number 9.
Ano yung play nila?
Miranda. Sideline again. Still by number 25. Number 25. Umatake. 2 points by number 25. Ariola 2 points.
Time out, ha?
Number 25. 13 shot. Rebound by number 11, 2. Number 7-7 pass. Number 29. Number 29. Success. Rebound by number 10. Oh, wow. Number 25. Umatake. Pumasok. Miranda. Moving on the ball. Miranda umat. Oh! Foul. By number 4, foul. Warning for grabbing. Third personal foul. 5. Ay, patali mo, no? Patali mo.
Subukan na kayo na yan.
Pumasok. Ano yung pass ito?
Eh, sila dapat daw second team.
Steal by number 17. Number 17. Surrounding by your share.
Tatapusin na yan.
Hey, pass number 25. Number 12. Umikot. Pay away shot. Supply. To number 9.
Matapos na po.
By number 8. And layup shot. Supply. Pumeke. Nabot ang natin Ariola. Symbol. Substitution. Number 25. Number 21, Supply, rebound by. Number 23, Miranda. Miranda, Miranda. Foul at the basket. Ball by number 12.
Score 93-90.
Hindi na sinabi ko kanina tatapusin.
Bola na. Number 17. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Foul by number 9. Slide, rebound by Ariola again. Pumeke, boarding shot. Slide. Ariola. Supports. It's on. 93. Number 11.
Parang si Tudok lang ah. MC Tudok.
Miranda. 15 to shoot. Miranda awal ng ibakas by number 23. Supply. Steal by number 25. Steal number 11. Foul by number 17. Miranda steal. Number 5 si Miranda. Sa gitna kay Ariola. 2 points. By Ariola. Number 25. 15. Foul by number.
Yung reaction ng defense.
Pag ano, pag nag-sound na si Jan, yung tayo-palo.
Miranda. Miranda. Umikot. Lumibas sa line. Rebound by number 25. By number 11. 14. Shoot. Number 11. Supply. Bola ng team. Moyes. Pass number 20. Pumula ng tres. Supply. Rebound by number 31. So, number 4. 25 seconds. Pass na lang. 15. Shoot. Foul. Number 29.
Second.
Number 25. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul. Whistle. Number 11.
Hoy, Alex, sige! Paisa!
Simon.
tayo sa basher kung basket or not. Pag narinig natin ang basher, nasa kamay ang bola, wala nang oras, patay ang bola, end of the game. Pero pag narinig natin ang basher, nasa ere, buhay. Maring ma-shoot, maring hindi, okay?